Hey guys, we're standing in front of another Jetco listing. This is my Jetco pilot, Matt Ricidi. I'm Chris Cusimano at Keller Williams Innovations, and this is our new listing in the community of Briella. And comparatively speaking, built in 2007, this is one of the newer communities around. We're located across the street from Super Target and just walking distance to all the amenities that this community has to offer. Let's go inside and look at it a little more.
This home features ceramic tile throughout the entire first floor and a fully updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. The best part is it has great views from every room. Just take a look at these lake views. In my opinion, this is one of the best lots in the entire community. As we head upstairs, we find 3 bedrooms, 2 of which have ensuite bathrooms and impact glass throughout. You're never gonna have to get on a ladder. This oversized master bedroom features tons of windows giving you great natural light, views out to the beautiful lake, and a nice cross breeze in the winter.
And there you have it, guys, our new listing in Briella in gorgeous Boynton Beach, Florida. Once again, if you would like to see it, just give us a call. We'll love to show it to you.